all on my lane. You all on my lane. You ain't overlooked. So get out the way. I gave you the book. I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you Nino. Plenty pitching, whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a seed note. Switching, keep it pimping every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
What's going on, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Now today we got the most amazing drink, like Arnold Palmer, but this is Cornelius Lathan. So I think I'm the only one that drink this, so I'm a name it the Cornelius Lathan. So the first step you want to do is get you a teaspoon of black tea. Now you can use your favorite tea, but I use a teaspoon of black tea, and then we're going to go ahead and brew this thing up. You want to brew it. My water temperature's at 175 degrees, and I'm just brewing it. You don't want to bring this to a boil. You just want to steep it low and slow. So once you get that black tea steeped, and you don't want to brew it long because it can bring out the bitter notes. But once you get that steep, you're going to go ahead and pull out our pink cranberry juice, and that's what's going to give us that tang to our drink. And then we're going to go ahead and serve this thing up. So go ahead and pour your tea and get your simple syrup. Now, if you need help making simple syrup, I got plenty of videos on simple syrup. It's half and half sugar, half water until it dissolves. And you make this thing how sweet or how bitter you like it. But I like mine fairly sweet, but not too sweet. But you're going to add that simple syrup into that tea. And when it tastes right to your tasting, go ahead and then we're going to add our pink cranberry juice. Like I said, I made mine a little too sweet right there, so I added a little more tea. But, it's a balance thing. You're doing it off of your taste. And that's how all my recipes are. It's pretty much based on your taste. It's just guidelines. But once we get to this point, we're going to go ahead and get our shaker together. I'm gonna throw some good ice in there because you don't want to dilute this thing too much. So throw your ice in there, then go in with half of the tea, and make sure that tea is brought down to room temperature by this point. And then you're gonna go in with half of your pink cranberry juice. Now you could use regular cranberry juice, but pink cranberry juice got this beautiful array and taste to it. So I highly suggest the pink cranberry juice. And hey, this is Cornelius Lathan, so you're gonna use that pink cranberry juice because that's the recipe. All right, once you get those half and half inside of that shaker, go ahead and give it a good shake. And you're just shaking the crap out of this just to make sure that everything is well incorporated. And you got a little froth at the top of it as well. We like to call that a head in the industry, but get you a little froth on top, a beautiful taste. And then we're gonna garnish with a lemon or orange wedge. And there you have it, man. The most incredible drink, the Cornelius Lathan. Like I said, it's a play on the Arnold Palmer, but it's my play on the Arnold Palmer, and it's the pink cranberry juice with the black tea. So there you have it, man. The most incredible drink you ever have, man, the Cornelius Lathan. If you see anybody make this, that's the Cornelius Lathan. When you go to the restaurant, request the Cornelius Lathan. They should have it. But yeah, very short video this week because we got another video coming out Sunday. So thank you guys for checking this video out. Like, comment, share, subscribe, man. The most incredible Cornelius Lathan from the Bistro. I'll check you guys out Sunday.